two women, a Limpopo farm, a pig enclosure. These are the farm matters that happen in South Africa, not the political talking points or viral social media myths, but real, brutal killings that expose deep cracks in our society. On August 17, 2024, Maria Makgato and Khutsa Ndlovu disappeared from the Onverwacht farm in Limpopo. They were not strangers to this land. They were part of a community living on the fringes of the farm, and like many, they were looking for a way to survive. Their search for survival led them to the farm's pigsty, where expired dairy products were dumped. An act of desperation, driven by hunger. A third person, Mabutho Ncube, says they were confronted by farm owner Zakaria Olivier. A violent altercation occurred. Ncube was injured but managed to escape and call for help. However, Makgato and Ndlovu were not so fortunate. 3 days later, police made a horrifying discovery. The women's decomposed bodies were found in a pigsty. The motive was clear, but the brutality of the act sent shockwaves across the nation. The investigation quickly led to the arrest of 3 men: farm owner Zakaria Olivier, the farm supervisor Adrian Devet, and a farm worker William Mosore. They were charged with 2 counts of murder, attempted murder for Ncube, unlawful possession of a firearm and unlawful possession of ammunition, as well as defeating or obstructing the course of justice. Mosore additionally faces a charge under the Immigration Act for being in South Africa illegally. Legal proceedings were subjected to multiple delays, causing frustration for the victims' families and the public. After the initial arrest in August 2024, the bail application was postponed several times, from September 2024 to February 2025, as police investigations continued and the case was prepared for a higher court. This resulted in the trial only beginning in August 2025. In a move that enraged victims' families and local activists, Devet was released after turning state witness. His testimony is expected to be a bombshell, alleging that it was Olivier who pulled the trigger and then ordered the bodies to be disposed of in the pigsty. As a result, the trial has been postponed to October 2025. Devet's freedom for his testimony has been met with outrage, raising difficult questions about the nature of justice and who truly pays for these heinous crimes. The Limpopo pig farm murders are more than just a single case. They are a microcosm of South Africa's unresolved past. Protests by political parties and activists outside the courthouse highlighted the deep-seated anger over farm violence and the enduring racial tensions stemming from land ownership disparities. As the trial is set to resume, the nation waits with bated breath. For Maria Makgato and Khutsa Ndlovu, their search for food ended in a brutal death. But for a nation watching, their tragedy has become a powerful call for accountability, equality, and a justice system that works for all.